Pinch both sides of your shirt to find your waistline. Then attach a safety pin or a pin to mark the narrowest part of your waist. Fold your shirt in half. Then attach another safety pin on the opposite side of the shirt. Find a string that matches the color of your shirt. You can buy them by the yard at your local fabric store. Cut the string into 2 parts and make sure they are equal lengths. Each of these strings ended up being about 19 inches long, but you can make them longer or shorter depending on your preference. Cut a small hole along the seam line, just big enough to fit your string inside. Remove the safety pin, insert the string, and turn the shirt inside out, and then pin the string into place. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the shirt. Close up both holes by sewing right along the seam line.